Okay, hello, hello, hello. We are doing a sound test. We are playing Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. This is a sound test. Sound test. Okay, let me open Zelda Dungeon. Yeah. Okay. Daily debate. Should the Majora's Masks, boss masks, have been wearable? This is from today. This is Jackson Crowbird Cannon Leduc. When I was a young lad playing Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask for the first time, I remember the struggle of simply beating the game. I recall how intense the first fight against old Odolwa was, how triumphant I felt when bringing the giant warrior to its knees, and how excited I was upon receiving Odolwa's remains. It was a mask of his visage. Thesaurus. You probably didn't even open a thesaurus, but he's misusing the word. And my assumption based on the Deku and Goron masks, yes, I went and got it early. Let me click on the link. Was that the Odolwa mask would also be wearable, and I would transform, and it would transform me into the Swamp Temple boss. Needless to say, I was very disappointed when learning that all of the boss remains, Odolwa, Got, Georg, Twin Mold, and Majora, were unusable. I've often wondered what it would be like if the game allowed you to don these masks to transform into some all-powerful beast, similar to the Fierce Deity mask. Was I alone in thinking this? Or were you also hoping, once upon a time, that you could parade around as your slain foes? How did you think they'd have worked if they were wearable? Would they be usable in Termina, at large or relegated to specific rooms like the Fierce Deity mask and Giant's mask? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And, as always, thank you so very much for reading. Let's see the comments. Wow, this is a new track. This is a soundtrack. I hope the sound is good. I might upload this as like part 5.5. Look at this footage. This is great music. I'm feeling hyped. Yeah, look at Link open that door. There's physics-based platforming. Wow, he did a spin attack. There's some sound errors. Okay. It would have been neat even if they didn't have any powers left in them to do anything. Let me... Oops, that's not the right window. Okay. It was a little weird that you could collect a few masks you couldn't wear, and I remember thinking they should be wearable as cosmetic trophies for your efforts. As for utility as power-ups, that's kind of a balanced question. Odawa could just be a fierce deity, except with sword and shield moveset, but other bosses would demand way too much rebalancing and mechanics for an N64 game, let alone one developed in under 2 years. I think Fierce Deity is good enough, though. You could wear it out of boss rooms if you do some very simplistic glitches in either version. I love doing simplistic glitches. No, that would have been too overpowered. You need 100% of the game to get the Fierce Deity mask. So getting 4 similar items over the course of the game by completing mandatory content wouldn't work well. Wow. 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 There really needs to be a rule for these DDs daily, what is this, a daily debate? Yeah, for these daily debates, that the title question should add the call to action question, or at least in the body, are at least somewhat similar. Should things have been this way, and what could this have been like, are not the same question. Let's dislike that. This guy's being an ass. This guy's being an asshole. Alright, it says discuss with a Q. Hold on, can we... So that doesn't show. It's discuss with a Q. I should make an account on here. Shout out Zelda Dungeon. I don't care how good the sound is, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. There really needs to be a rule. Oh, I've already read that part. Or not the same question. Anyway, no, definitely not. I like their mystique as unusable items. It makes me think how, in a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh! Games, you can obtain the Egyptian god cards, but you can't actually use them. It gives them an air of mystery. If this were the case, I imagine you would... So no, I don't want to... I think this question is bullshit. You shouldn't have written it, and I don't think they should have put it in the game. But if they did put it in the game, this is how I think it would be. If this were the case, I imagine you would get some of the boss's powers. Odal was Spinning Slash, Got's Lightning, Georg could summon piranhas, and Twin Molds could allow you to burrow underground. This was Mike, someone 3 hours ago. He commented almost 2,000. It's almost 2,000 comments, and and then this guy averages. Hold on, let me average the amount of likes per post this guy has. This is really funny to me. Holy shit. Okay, so 3976, 3,976 divided by 1,807. This is 2.2 likes a post. So you know that every post, under 2.5 people read it and liked it. So how many like? That's so funny. Let's click on this guy's profile. Holy shit! Oh, okay. He comments every day on every daily debate. It seems like, or almost like that, almost. When you open the door of time, maybe we'll. He's also in Yacht Club Games. I'm fucking doxing this guy. What is Yacht Club Games? The art of the game. Oh, this is Shovel Knight. Okay. Cool. Very cool. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't upload this because I'm fucking doxing this guy. He posts every daily debate. It reminds me of Bioshock Infinite. Has your... Let's check it out. Let's check out what he's got. It's bottom 3? It's worse than Skyward Sword. Oh, he doesn't even try. Wow. I haven't played Tears of the Kingdom, so we'll have to find out. But anyways, this is the website that I use. It's for the guides, when I need the guides. But I haven't really needed them so far. I guess I got a Piece of Heart in part 4. Yeah, we don't need a Tears of the Kingdom map. We need Twilight Princess, and we are on chapter 6, Death Mountain, I believe. Because sorry, this is a 10-minute part. God, this music is so good. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, so we're... Oh, we've got stuff to do, okay. Let me read this real fast. Alright, this is enough for a sound test. Thank you guys for tuning in to my sound test.